everyone. I am just getting ready to send this bear out, and I thought I'd let you know or show you how I do my packaging of bears. So the first step is I start my little gift bag here with a thank you card and my business card, and then I give a little gift here. And what it is it's a, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's a little guardian angel. And it says, "Angels watching over me." And I throw it on a little necklace. And then I give that to the customer inside the bag. And this one I'm going to actually put 2 in, because I know that this bear here is for my customers' grandparents. And there's 2 of them, and I wanted to give 2 of these necklaces. So that's there. Sometimes these things are pretty hard to clip. All right, so those go in here. And if I just have one bear, I can get away with getting these boxes from the post office, and they're really nice and pretty. But sometimes if I have multiple orders, like 2 or 3 bears, I can't. Unfortunately, I have to get the generic cardboard, not ugly but not pretty, cardboard boxes. There you go. So, but this one fits just one bear in it perfectly. So that one's ready to go. And then I always put it inside a plastic bag, only because you never know if it's going to get water or, anything like that. And I just want to have it protected. So this is the little bear. It says, "This is a shirt I used to wear. Whenever you hold it, know that I'm there. Love, your son." And this is for my customers' grandparents, and it's their 60th anniversary. So it says happy 60th anniversary. So, and it's going into the bag. So these are pretty big bags, so what I do, so it can stand upright and it looks nice when they get it, is I staple the back here. Stand it up. I get my little gift. I put it in so it looks like he's holding it in his lap. And then I make a knot up at the top. Cut the excess off here. And that's how it looks. And then it goes into the bag, or I'm sorry, into the box. And sometimes you have to little bit of a slit in there so that you can get the air out, otherwise you can't get it in. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I plan to make more videos. I'm going to start making videos of different projects that I'm working on during this busy time that I'm having right now. I'm making bears and pillows and quilts, and I'm just going to share that all with you. I'll make this work. But I'm gonna put the label on, and I'm gonna tape this up a little bit, and I'll probably put a couple stickers on that say Shares Bears, and off it'll go to the post office. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.